Abby trying to get the duck with her feet. Here to go. Come on, you can do it. Uh-oh! You kicked it away. Try that again. There you go. You can pick it up. Pick it up. Oh, come on. You grab onto it with your toes. Those hand feet that your dad says you have. Well, now you're just kicking it out of the way. Is it because Mom's recording you? We do a new game called Kick the Duck. I don't know if PETA's gonna like that. Kick it! It's like soccer. Where'd it go? You can do it. Come on. Look it. Here it is. Oh, you stopped it. Good save. Uh-oh. And you let it go. There you go. Come on. Pick it up. Pick it up. You want to try the frog? Quit looking at the duck. Here's your frog. You can't grip him, huh? Trying. You're doing good. Lift it up now. Bring it up. You just want that duck back, huh? Get them both? Uh-oh, now what are you gonna do? Oh, you stopped it.